That's the first thing we're going to have to do is get out of denial. Our pastors didn't know. Our teachers didn't know. Our parents didn't know. We didn't have these things around us. So that is a trauma that we have to overcome, because unfortunately, those are the people that we continue to steal and go and get losing information from.
Oh man, that's
Like, I'm sorry, I can't take advice from a relative who is asking to sleep on my couch. I just can't do that. So, not only have we dealt with that financial trauma, then we have to think about the systemic financial trauma, from redlining to racism to like all of these different things. And so, we have to literally reprogram everything that we have felt or thought about finances. And even when I talk about the power and understanding credit, I mean, let's be honest, it was only 400 years ago that it was even legal for us to know how to read, let alone know anything about money and finances. And so this is why I often tell people that finance is a language that we have not been taught, which is just like why most, unfortunately, blacks don't know, multilingual. One of those languages has to be about finances. So my crusade, and really what I focus on, is trying to teach us about economics, because then we can remove the stigmatism